olórí orílẹ̀-èdè yóò tó bẹ́ẹ̀ ìpè kí wọ́n fi ọwọ́ òfin mú mi ó ní kò tó bẹ́ẹ̀ kò sónítọ̀hún ó fọwọ́ sọ̀yà ó sì wí koko èmi kọ́ mo wí yìí agbẹjọ́rò kan òun ló múra lónìí tí ó wọlé ẹjọ́ ó múra wọlé ẹjọ́ pé ìmúra tóun mú yìí tí ó sì dì kúkú bí ìgbà lálùdé ń lọ́jọ́ ogun wọ́n pé iná lójú iná lẹ́nu àyàrá náà bí oníṣàngó ní agbẹjọ́rò yìí ṣe múra pẹ̀lú àwọn aṣọ àràbarà tó jẹ́ bí aṣọ ògùn ìbílẹ̀ ó pé kò sẹ́nikẹ́ni tí ó lè mú mi sí bí mo ṣe múra yìí nígbà tí wọ́n fi ọ̀rọ̀ wá lẹ́nu wò fọ́nrán yìí ni mo fi hàn yìí tí ẹ̀ ń rí lójú fọ́nrán gbogbo bí ìṣẹ̀lẹ̀ ọ̀hún bí ó ṣe lọ ó ní nítorí wípé tẹ́ bá wò dáadáa bí ilé ẹjọ́ àpapọ̀ bó ṣe dá ẹjọ́ wípé kí oníkálukú máa múra pẹ̀lú ìlànà ẹ̀sìn rẹ̀ wá sí ilé ẹ̀kọ́ ó ní bẹ́ẹ̀ náà ló ṣe ṣorí lọ́dọ̀ tòun tó jẹ́ ṣe pé àwọn alálẹ̀ òun tí wọ́n ti ń kàn sóhun ti pẹ́ wípé àfikún múra gẹ́gẹ́ bí ẹ̀sìn tóun gbà láàyè látara ìdí èyí lábẹ́ òfin kò sẹ́ni kankan tó lè dáhùn lọ́kọ́ ẹ̀ nítorí wípé kò sófin tó sọ wípé ká má múra bí ó ṣe wù wá pé òun rọ gbogbo àwọn oníṣàngó lápapọ̀ àti àwọn lọ́ya àti gbogbo onírúfẹ́ ìyóhùn tá a bá yàn láàyè nínú ẹ̀sìn kí kó wá ká máa ta múra ká máa múra gẹ́gẹ́ bí àṣà àti ìlànà ẹ̀sìn wa nítorí wípé ó dára kí á pọ́n ẹ̀sìn wa lé lọ́pọ̀lọpọ̀ ẹ wo fọ́nrán yìí kí ẹ gbọ́ ìfọ̀rọ̀wérọ̀ pẹ̀lú àwọn akọ̀ròyìn wa tí wọ́n ti ń fọ̀rọ̀ wá lẹ́nu wò àti ìdí abá nínú fọ́nrán yìí.
You will be coming to court henceforth?
Yes, this I'll be coming. By the Supreme Court judgment, I've been given license to dress in our religious attire because it will be an infringement or a flagrant violation of my fundamental rights to freedom of thought, conscience, and religion for anybody to stop. You saw I went into the Supreme Court and you see, we've been given the license. Even my children will dress like this to the school. And I will encourage my fellow traditionalists, those who are serving the local, and Shango and Shokono, God of thunder, God of iron. I will encourage them to dress like this because it's always good to be.
So where are you in Supreme Court this morning?
I'm in Supreme Court this morning, like every other lawyer, to appear as an amicus in Korea and to observe proceedings, which I just did, and I had a nice time in the court before my lords. Yes.
What informed this?
Nothing informed it. The truth of the matter is this, I'm a traditionalist. And I've been missing all along until the Supreme Court gave the judgment on Friday that people cannot appear in their religious attires of worship in their place of school and public school for that matter. So in this circumstance, I just interpreted everything and said, yes, they have done the right thing. By giving us, helping us, guaranteeing more our rights under Section 38 of the Constitution that gives us, every Nigerian citizen, the freedom of thought, conscience, and religion. That we are free from that decision that female students can wear hijab because it is the mood of their worship, and any attempt to stop them from wearing it amounts to a violation of their fundamental right. And applying it, I said, okay, it's good. So I said, okay, I need to also be appearing on my religious attire of worship. So because it's good, it's good for man to be with God all the time. So this is my mood henceforth, and my children will go to school like this. I will encourage my relations, my friends, so that those in the army, those in the police, those in the navy, those in doctors, lawyers, they will dress in their mood of this. I'm very grateful to the Supreme Court. I'm very happy about the decision. This has been going on for some time. In the case of the provost of Kwara State Polytechnic, Kwara State College of the provost of Kwara State College of Education versus Basirat, the court was very clear that the students should wear their hijab, the female students, and they should not be stopped or prevented, because to do so will amount to a violation of their right to freedom of religion, dignity to their person, and also discrimination. Just Friday here, the Supreme Court also gave a decision like that. So you see, the foundation for this is well spelled out. There are other cases. You have Abdul Karim versus Lagos State, where the court held similar decision. So if that can be done to female students to wear hijab, you can apply it to every other religion. Because to stop me from dressing like this will amount to a violation of my right to freedom of thought, conscience, and religion, and also it will be a violation of. It will be discriminatory, and therefore unconstitutional. And that's why I felt confident of coming to the Supreme Court, and I came. I went there and I sat before my lords, and they were pleased with my appearance until they have to reconstitute. So that's just it. There's no big issue about it. It's all about freedom of worship. How are you?